This is SAJ HS3 Installation tutorial. Before the installation, we should prepare these tools. Unpacking the base battery, to show the accessories in the box and their functions. The ground should be flat and not inclined. Maximum rear tilt angle less than 3 degrees, side tilt angle 2. Removing the battery, display case accessories and functions. Place the battery onto the base pack and push down into place. Install 2 locking brackets on either side of the battery using 2 M5*14 screws. Supports up to 3 batteries in a stack. Unpack the charger, to show the accessories in the box and what they do. Place the charger on top of the batteries and push down. Install M5*14 screws under both sides of the charger to secure the charger to the battery. Unpack the inverter, to show the accessories inside the box and what they do. If you have installed a charger, loosen the screws on the inverter and remove the port cover. Place the inverter on the battery or charger, if any, and push it down. Secure the inverter to the top of the unit by installing screws on the lower side of each side of the inverter. PV terminal practice and wiring method show. Grid terminal practice and wiring method show. Backup terminal practice and wiring method show. COM terminal practice and wiring method show. Network cable wiring method show. eManager wiring and display. Meter wiring and display. Access to ATS network access method and demonstration.